National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 7 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hammond, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Merrillville, East Chicago, Hobart, Highland, Munster, Griffith, and Lake Station. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for South